And welcome to Raices Virtualcon 2021. My name is Eric Belardo. I am the founder of Raices Cyber, and I am very, very excited to have you all join in this family of Raices Cyber. Today, we're going to have an exciting stream and conference for all of you with an exciting lineup to include Representative Lou Correa and an amazing lineup of speakers for all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being here. Don't forget, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like the video, and let's get started today. The first thing, me as the founder want to welcome you, and everybody wonders, what is Raices? So I will start with telling you all about Raices and what we are. Raices Cyber Organization is the Hispanic Association in cybersecurity. We believe in changing the world by creating diversity of thought in cyber, in tech, and in everything we do. A little bit about myself here. I'm the founder of Raices. I'm a U.S. Army military intelligence veteran. I served in Bosnia and Kosovo with NATO. I've been in the industry for about 30 years now, and I've done a lot of stuff in civilian government, Department of Defense, international, financial, and civilian markets. I've done things in program assessments, remediation, a lot of blue side of the industry, as well as incident response, disaster recovery, certification, accreditation. I'm originally from San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I've been in the United States now for about 35 years or so. So why did we form Raices? Raices was born out of the necessity to support the Hispanic, Latino, Latina, and Latinx community in the field of cybersecurity. A few months ago, there was a ISC squared risk report in the Aspen Digital, where it was estimated that only 4% of cybersecurity practitioners identify as Hispanic. 4%, we must do better. So again, our mission is to encourage the Hispanic, Latino, Latina, and Latinx community in the cyber community to achieve greater representation. So how are we going to do this? We have a 4-pillar approach: education for all career levels, from K through 12, collegiate, university, and workforce development, as well as forming a community, doing networking, forming strong roots amongst all of us. And then access to resources that may not be available to that community, job aids, employment resources, and then continued support, encouragement, mentoring of all the people. So how do we come up with our brand? So if you've seen our brand, the Raices tree and the roots, Raices in Spanish stands for heritage, but also means roots. So it's heritage and roots. We picked the concept of Raices because it uses the combined heritage that we all have, but also plays on the word root, which in cybersecurity is a very important concept. The colors of our brand, the red at the top, the purple in the bottom, and the blue at the bottom, in the middle, and represents red for the offensive operations, blue in the bottom for the defensive operations, and purple, that's when we all come together. This is a all-inclusive community so that all of our allies, our Latinos, Latinas, Latinx, and Hispanics can come together and grow stronger. So, our 4 pillars: networking, online communities, which we're going to give a special announcement in a little bit, our monthly meetups with our chapters, which we'll talk some more, our resources with the early career support and the mentorship programs that we're going to get started, the support, the online job resources, the employment resources, and one of our sponsors is going to be helping with that, so stay tuned for that. And then in the education part, we're going to talk later on about Raices Kids and Raices Academy and working that early education outreach to start teaching people what cybersecurity and all the different fields within cybersecurity are available to people. And then university and college programs, bolt-on programs, and transitional support, education, and support to a lot of people that are out there. And of course, we all, at any level, need the leadership development. So what are the programs that we're starting right now? On the education side, we have Raices Kids, which is a digital literacy and cyber education program. We're hoping to start some camps and competitions. We'll have the student experience for college-age persons. We have Raices Academy that we're going to be starting for educating and continuing education, because in cybersecurity, everything becomes stale after a couple of years. So we have to continue to support each other. On the membership side of the house, the professional memberships, we're announcing that we're opening 13 city chapters, and we'll talk some more about that, across the United States and parts of the world. We're going to have some mentoring programs, continuing education, technical training, leadership development, and employment support for our Hispanic community. So we are very excited to start announcing all these programs that are going to be coming up. And our current organization. Our current organization was founded August 2021. We are a 501c3 nonprofit. We have a board of advisors, currently 4 members. We have a 40-plus member volunteer corps right now, and we have over 600 strong member community. Like I said, we have the interest from communities internationally. We have support from academia and corporate, and we are partnering with a lot of nonprofits that you're going to see soon. Okay. So right now we're waiting for our keynote speaker to come on. So we're going to take a very short break, and once we're back, we will be with you with our keynote speaker. Stand by.